Hello and welcome to Amma's Kitchen. Are you ready to take a journey into the aromatic world of masala tea? Today we are going to show you step by step how to make this delicious and comforting drink from scratch. So grab your ingredients and let's get started on making the perfect cup of masala tea. Get cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and ginger. Crush it lightly with a mortar and pestle. You don't have to crush it too finely. This is only to make the spices cook easily. If you wish, you can also add rose petals, mint, and saffron to your masala tea. Next, get a pot, add water and the spices and boil it on high heat. Once the water starts to bubble, add black tea and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add room temperature milk. This allows the spices to cook for longer and let the fat in the milk absorb all the flavors. Stir it once in a while to make sure the milk is not sticking to the bottom of the pot. Add preferred amount of sugar, strain the tea, and serve it. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, you can froth the tea like my mom is doing here. This definitely enhances the taste of the tea. And there you go. It's that easy to make masala tea at home. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel to see more of Amma's recipes. Take care.